children. So I am your teacher, Jigsaw Golobid, and today I will teach you the vowel and consonant sounds. So first, I will teach you the vowel. So let's start. A, E, O, U. So again, A, E, O, U. And now, kayo na naman, children. What is this? Very good. Clap your hands. Good job, children. How about this one? Very good. Very good. Good job. Clap your hands again. And now, children, since you know naman, so let's proceed to the consonants. So next, I will teach you the consonant sound. So let's start. B. B. The sounds of letter B is B. B. Like this one. B is for banana. B is for banana. What is this? What letter is this? Very good. Next letter is C. C. The sounds of letter C is K. C is for cat. C is for cat. What is the sounds of letter C? Very good. Clap your hands, children. Very good. Good job. Next letter is D. 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 The sounds of letter D is D. 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 Like this one. D is for dog. D is for dog. Next letter is F. 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 The sounds of letter F is F is for fish. F is for fish. So what letter is this, children? Very good. Clap your hands again. Good job, children. Next letter is J. J. The sounds of letter J is G, G, G. Like this one. J is for gate. J is for gate. So next is H. H. Next letter is H. The sounds of letter H is H is for hat. H is for hat. Okay. Next is J. J. Next letter is J. The sounds of letter J is J, J, J. Like this one. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. What letter is this, children? Very good. Good job, children. Next letter is K. 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 The sounds of letter K is like this one. K is for kite. K is for kite. What letter is this, children? Wow. How about the sounds? What? Very good. Next letter is L. 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 The sounds of letter L is L. 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 Like this one. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. What letter is this, children? Very good. Clap your hands again. Very good, children. Next letter is M. 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 So what is letter is this? Very good. The sounds of letter M is mm, like this one. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. Next letter is N. 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 The sounds of letter N is like this one. N is for net. N is for net. What letter is this, children? Very good. Good job. Next letter is P. 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 The sounds of letter P is like this one. P is for pear. P is for pear. What the sounds of letter P? Very good. Clap your hands again, children. Good job. Next letter is Q. 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 The sounds of letter Q is like this one. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. What letter is this? Very good. Good job. Next letter is R. 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 The sounds of letter R is R. 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 Like this one. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. What the sounds of letter R? Very good. Clap your hands again, children. Good job. Excellent. Next letter is S. 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 The sounds of letter S is S. 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 Like this one. S is for strawberry. S is for strawberry. S is for strawberry. What are the sounds of letter S? Good job! Excellent, children. Next letter is T. 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 The sounds of letter T is like this one. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. What letter is this, children? Good job! Clap your hands again. I love it. Next letter is V. 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 The sounds of letter V is V. 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 Like this one. V is for van. V is for van. V is for van. What the sounds of letter V? Again, again. Good job. Clap your hands. Next is W. Next letter is W. W. The sounds of W is wah, 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 like this one. W is for whale. W is for a whale. Whale. Next letter is X. 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 The sounds of letter X is x, 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 like this one. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. What letter is this, children? Good job. Excellent. Next letter is Y. 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 The sounds of letter Y is yeah, 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 yeah. Like this one. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. What letter is this? Excellent. Good job. Clap your hands again. Next letter is Z. 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 The sounds of letter Z is Z. 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 Z like this one. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. What letter is this? Wow, very good. Clap your hands. So now we are done, children. So let me ask you first. Um, what letter is this? Very good. How about this one? Wow, clap your hands. Good job. So that's all, children, and I hope you learned something, and thank you for your listening. God bless you all. Bye-bye.